Hello everyone, I'm your host Gaurav Kumar Roy and you are watching Game Development Tutorial, and here I'll be showing you some of the physics in 2D, some of the work of physics. As you all know that the game, which is generally made in a digital format, is a mimic of the real world entities, and in the real world there is physics all around, and today I'll be showing you one of the mimic here as well, where I'll be uh, adjusting the frictions and all those stuffs, physics related stuffs, bouncing and all. Here you can see a ball, and I have added a collider as well. Let me show you with another example. This is circle collider 2D, and it has to be adjusted like this from the edit collider, and this is already having a collider, and you can see its line, collider line is here, the green line is going, and similarly this case also you can see the green line here also on the green line. Now the thing is, I have to apply material here. For this you have to go to right click, create physics 2D material, and let's name it ball 2, and here you can see the physics oriented kind of thing here, and the bounciness, let it change to 6. The ball will bounce now, and we are giving its value, how much to bounce and at what intensity it will gonna bounce. Okay, then I'm done. Save. Let's just move to the next. Let's add ice to it, and let's keep it at a distance. Let's change its orientation to become slippery, and let's add another physics. Sorry, let's just delete it. So yeah, I'll give it a name, ice slide. And what will do, the ice slide, I have to change the friction to 0.1, which means the lesser the value, the more less the friction is. And now I have to drag and drop it here on the ice. Before that we have to keep it a box collider 2D, adjust its size as well. Set. Now take the ice collider and drag it into the material. Similarly this case as well, take the ball collider, ball physics, and you can actually lock your inspector pane so that if you switch or it's get accidentally switched to the next, it's not gonna change. If you change your game object, the lock you will be making in the inspector will not gonna change, it will gonna stay fixed to that game object's inspector pane. And now for this ball I have to take and drag and drop the material, physics 2D material here. Save and check it out. Okay, it's not moving. I have to add rigid body 2D as well. This will add the gravity kind of effect here. Let's have to minimize this balls. And you can see the ice block, what it does. It was so less friction, so it's making. Let me show you another example. Here, take Control D, and I've taken this, and Control D, and I've taken this. Let me turn around. Save, run. It's so less frictions, that's why it's getting out. Let me check with this one also. In the play mode. Let's do it again. Box Collider 2D. Edit. Add rigid body 2D. See, a little force from the ball slides down the heavyweight thing because of this friction is very less here in the case of weight as well as in the case of ice, and in this way you can create 2D kind of bounciness in your game object and at the same time frictionless or more frictionized game objects. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.